Got this too. This one up there. Did you get that in further, that top one? These are your poles that got concreted right here. The splash zone has not hardened completely. It's hard, you can't press on it, but it hasn't hardened completely. That splash zone is what's in the void inside of all your pilings. Any piling that had a void got filled with the splash zone. Then it got marine pile tape wrapped around it, and then it got a jacket. Your neighbor just had pile wraps put on, that's it. This particular pile was filled with splash zone, and then it was jacketed, pumped with concrete, and then the top finished off. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.